This is the third Target I'm at. I've been looking everywhere for it. On the website, it says they have one more at this location, so I hope I get it. It's this Godzilla Humidifier. As soon as I saw it on TikTok, I knew I had to get it. So one more in stock.
Don't have any more in the back, unfortunately.
Oh, so the last one is gone?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll just order it online.
2,000 years later.
Okay, it's here. Look at that! It goes like this. It moves! And kids, this is why you should stay in school, so you can get a real job that pays you adult money, and you can spend your money and get stuff like this. Best $35 I ever spent.